Alright, next you're going to take your chain adjuster and your spacer. The chain adjuster always lines up with the groove going inward. So you're going to put that on here. First, you're going to take your spacer. This is the tricky part. You get this in there, hold it in place. Then you're going to take your chain adjuster, slide it evenly with the spacer, just like so. Get it lined up. Then you're going to take your axle right here, chain adjuster on the other side, slide that in there, and slide the axle through the chain adjuster and the spacer of the bike. So once you slide this through, you're going to slide the axle through on one side. Don't slide it all the way through. Pull it out a little bit. Set your spacer. Then put the axle through just a little bit, just to hold it in place. Then you're going to put your chain adjuster on here. Give it a little tap. Okay. All right. So what you do is you put your axle through, your chain adjuster, slide it through, put your spacer in and your chain adjuster, and then you're going to use your washer, your lock ring, and then your nut to tighten it all down. Install your chain guard, and then you're ready to roll.